AI is coming for your job. Or at least, that's what everyone says. But how much of that is hype? And how much is real? Let's break it down. In 2025, artificial intelligence is automating tasks faster than ever. Entry-level coding, customer support, data entry, even warehouse operations, all are on the chopping block. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT can already do what used to take teams of people, and it's only getting faster. If your job is predictable, repetitive, or rule-based, it's time to adapt. But here's the twist. AI isn't here to replace everyone. It's here to replace tasks. Jobs that require critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, or hands-on interaction are much harder to automate. Fields like cybersecurity, AI training, healthcare, digital forensics, UX design, and, yes, even content creation are growing faster because of AI, not despite it. The future doesn't belong to the machines, it belongs to the people who know how to use them. So how do you stay ahead? Start by learning how to work with AI. Pick up skills in data, scripting, automation, cybersecurity, or even AI prompt engineering. You don't need a PhD, you just need curiosity and momentum. Platforms like Coursera, YouTube, and GitHub make it easier than ever to level up for free. AI isn't the end of jobs, it's the end of doing them the old way. Subscribe to WebStanceIQ for smarter takes on tech, trends, and the future of work. Stay sharp, stay curious. This is WebStanceIQ.